How you doing, guys? So today we are going to show you how to make the best out of your leftover bananas. Today we're going to make a banana souffle.
Here are your ingredients. Please try and use the freshest eggs possible. I get mine from Mad Yoke Farm. They're picked daily, they're organic and free range. First, our ramekins. We're going to spread our butter, which has been melted, in around the edges. Then we're going to get the sugar with the cinnamon. We're going to tilt it around the edges and pour it into each successive ramekin. Next, our bananas. 2 bananas, tablespoon of water, tablespoon of lemon juice, and then we're going to get half of our cornstarch in there. Give it a good buzz and make sure it's nice and smooth. This is our banana base for our souffle. From here, we move on to our egg whites. 3 large egg whites in a very clean bowl with a little bit of lemon juice to help it rise. Also in here, we have the other half of the cornstarch. We start off on the lowest setting and then we build up slowly. When we get to soft peaks almost, then we add our caster sugar. We keep mixing until we reach stiff peak stage. At this stage, we get our banana base mixture. We add 1/3 of the egg whites. This will help us incorporate the rest of the egg whites without losing the air. Once that's incorporated, we add the rest of the egg whites and we fold nice and gently until there are no complete white flecks in there. When you're happy with the mixture, we start putting the mixture into the ramekins. We fill them right to the top, very generously. Just give it a gentle tap on a cloth to make sure it's reaching the bottom, and then we level it off with a spatula. A butter knife will do the same job. Once you have it leveled off, take your finger, run it right around the edges. We're going to make a little divot here, and that's going to help it rise nice and straight. Into the oven at the preheated temperature. Once it goes in, turn your temperature down to 180 from 190. Give it about 12 to 14 minutes. When you see a nice rise, a nice golden brown color, after 12 to 14 minutes, you're ready to go. They can drop very quickly, so make sure you sprinkle them with a nice dusting of icing sugar on each one. Douse with icing sugar and serve immediately. These are absolutely fluffy and delicious. Thank you.